So the next drink we're going to do is the one that I've made for you. So this is called the CPQi, and this has a very, very cool little thing with it. So this is also a shake and drink. So we are going to start with 20 lemon sugar syrup, and just pop that in there. And then this is the star of the show. So this is butterfly PT. It's really easy to get hold of, and I'll show you later what it does. But I stewed this so it's really, really dark. So I'm going to pour 30 milliliters of this into my glass. Pop that in there. And I'm going to use 25 milliliters of gin as well. So when you're making drinks, I know everybody says you go to a bar and then you're like, oh, can I have less ice? And then you expect it to have more alcohol. That's not how it works. The standard pours are generally the same. So what you want to do is you want to fill up everything with as much ice as possible, because the ice keeps it cold and then it stays tasting like a really nice drink for a longer time. So we're going to fill this all the way to the top. So our glass and also our shaker, we're going to fill all the way to the top. And again, we're just going to give this a quick shake, tap, and tap. And then we're going to give this a nice shake. So if you've brewed your tea right, you should have this beautiful blue color where it comes out. Okay, so I'm just going to show you. So this is a cool bit. So butterfly PT is an acidity indicator. So what's going to happen is we're going to add our tonic water. So obviously tonic is carbonated and contains, and carbon, anything that's carbonated is slightly acidic. So what it should do is change the color of the drink as we top it up. And we've missed out the acidity because we like to have that nice color change. So I'm going to give a squeeze of lemon juice on the top. Nice big squeeze. We're going to give this a quick stir to make sure that everything is nice and mixed properly. So I was asked to have a drink of the company color, a nice purple. So we've got a nice purple and blue drink there. And we're going to garnish this similar to the other one. So when you have mint, if you've got a mint sprig, so if you actually smell it, it smells nice. It's a lovely mint flavor. But what we want to do is we want to make it like express that flavor. So just like when you use a lemon or an orange zest on your drinks, you express that flavor. The way we do it with mint is we actually slap it on the back of your palm. And what this does is this breaks the capillaries in the mint. It makes it, it releases the fragrances, and it also makes your hands smell really nice. So just give this a quick slap on the back of your palm, chop it up, and we're going to hold it like this and give it a quick spin so that it looks like a pretty flower, and pop it on the side of our glass. We also want to pop it on the side so that when you drink it, you can smell it and it smells really, really nice. And we're going to give this a taste. I personally think it tastes great. I don't know if anyone's made it with me. So yeah, that's a CPQi, a nice bright purple drink.